You can get a better understanding before installing. Unscrew the screws. Separate the old plastic parts. If it cannot be removed by hand, please use other tools. Cut a notch to let the cable pass through. Unscrew the screws. Remove the old plastic parts. Align the new upper plastic parts with the dowels. Twist and screws. Align the headphone arm with the new bottom plastic part. Pass the cable through the cable notch and cover the new plastic parts. Twist and screws. Repeat the installation for the other side.